Upgrade the movable hopper to a fixed-type hopper fitted with a line wire feeding magazine to realize precise automatic ranging and placement of line wires. Upon completion of line wiring layout, the magazine automatically conveys ranged line wires to the designated processing station and stands by for automatic wire feeding. The system releases line wires and initiates the intelligent wire feeding program, allowing customizable setup of feeding length and feeding speed. Welding, the core process, starts once wires are in position. Equipped with a spring pressing unit, the machine features fast welding speed, uniform mesh size, and solid welding joints. Adopt large capacity fixed hopper for cross wires to store both raw cross wires in one batch. Feeding rate perfectly matches production rhythm with accurate blanking performance. Equipped with fast auto pull function, the servo motor drives trolley which moves mesh quickly and precisely to bending position. The machine can bend different folds as requested. Parameters set on the CNC cabinet enable continuous, high-precision automatic bending. After all processing steps, the machine performs automatic stacking. Finished meshes dropping smoothly and stacking neatly layer by layer with tidy alignment.